At Power Electrics, we like to keep our customers in the loop from start to finish. To do so, we often end up using terminology specific to temporary power production. Here is a guide to explain some of the words and phrases you might hear in the generator industry. Amperes, or amps, are a measure of electrical current that runs around a circuit, symbolized as I or A. Voltage, or volts, are the force that moves electrons through a conductor, symbolized E or V. Power, measured in watts or kilowatts. Power is the rate at which work is being done by the electrons, symbolized W or P. Did you know, if you multiply the amps value by the volts, you get the total power? Now let's take a look at kW, kVA and kVAR. kW, commonly known as kilowatt or working power, also called actual power, active power or real power, is the power that is converted into a useful output that powers equipment and performs useful work. kVA, kilovolt amperes, or apparent power, tells you the total amount of power in use in a system. It is also the sum of kVAR and kW. kVAR, kilovolt amperes reactive power, or just reactive power, is the power that hasn't converted into kVA. Power factor, the ratio between the useful power, kW, to the total power, kVA, used by equipment. It shows how efficiently electrical power is converted into useful work output. Starting current, also referred to as switch-on surge, is the high current flow, typically experienced by a motor or similar during the first few moments of switching on. Load acceptance is the maximum load, in percentage, that can be applied whilst maintaining performance classes. Power overload or overload refers to the amount of load exceeding the generator's rating. Overloads happen when you draw more electricity than a generator and/or its circuit breaker can safely handle. Parallel operation, operating two or more generators, or generators and a network together, in order to supply a common load or power to the grid or utility. Synchronization is the process of matching the speed, frequency, and phase angles of a generator to another source, generator or mains, of the same network configuration. Hybrid units enables energy, like electricity produced by diesel generators, to be stored and then used, discharged when needed. The units can significantly reduce fuel consumption, helping to lower fuel bills and cut emissions on site. Containagen, a containerized generator, is a diesel generator housed within a heavy-duty container. They come with a bonded fuel tank, are emissions compliant, ultra quiet and fully lockable. Ultragen is a generator range designed to meet the ultra-low emissions targets of EU's Stage 5. Bulktank provide a greater capacity of fuel storage than the standard generator base tank. HVO, hydrogenated vegetable oil, is a fuel which reduces carbon emissions, nitrogen oxides and particulates. To find out more detail on each term, have a read of the full written blog on our website at powerelectrics.com/blog.